taking the train. The horn blows, the train rolls along the track. When the train stops, some people get on. Other people get off. The train rolls along the track again. It heads toward the big city. It goes faster as it moves along. Sometimes it races forward. Sometimes it rocks side to side. Some people read on the train, while others rest. Some people talk to each other while others talk on their phones. The train passes grassy fields. It crosses rivers. It passes stores, schools, and backyards. The train enters a long tunnel. The train arrives in the city. Here, tall buildings rise toward the sky. The train makes one last stop. All the people get off. Other people get in. Soon the train rolls along the track again. It rolls back through the tunnel. It rolls back past towns and grassy fields. The horn blows.